Yeah, another place morning for the work, Well push up and shake up here. As I'm saying, grateful we have life, health, strength, energy and everything. Just they have to do the right thing. You see me? Come on, if you have life, you cannot attain anything. Days where I come from are some days where, oh my god, breadfruit are what they have. Now we can avail for fish and them thing, you see me? Turkey mile and them thing there. Yeah man, but at the end of the day, it's just life. Basically what me I said to you, the speed no matter your destination, determine your destination, you understand? So when you get up on a try and from there's away, there's away. Understand? From there's life, there's hope. So you have to provide and prepare yourself if you want the better come so you can maintain the better and also celebrate in the betterment.